Russian forces in Ukraine have experienced a series of humiliations, and the war in Ukraine has completely destroyed the myth of a powerful Russian army. But the Ukrainian war never ceases to surprise us, and this is shown by the latest video by Ukraine Weapons Tracker, a popular English-language war analysis account on Twitter. The target was a modern Russian RLK-MCA, ROSK-1, complex that was specially developed to counter enemy drones, but oh irony, it was destroyed by Ukrainian drone. The video, recorded by a rotary blade drone adapted to drop grenades and other munitions, shows explosives being dropped on the radio monitoring station. Here we see munitions being dropped right on its electronic control and radio monitoring subsystems. The RLK-MCA appeared to be completely helpless, the post reads. It's not the first time that video footage like this has been shared by the Ukrainian military, and it likely won't be the last. The RLK-MC Valdai radar complex was developed by the Lionozovo electromechanical plant. Work started on the project in 2016 and Russian media reports suggest it was rolled out for military use in the summer of 2021. The aim of the project was to give troops a portable radar complex that can detect and track UAV targets, and to easily allow troops to detect small UAVs and distinguish them from birds and other flying objects. The radar complex uses a self-propelled vehicle on a 3-axle chassis. It is divided into a control module, an optoelectronic module, a radar module, a direction-finding module that is used to find radio signal sources, and a countermeasures module. The complex features its own communication systems and power supply. The fact that Ukrainian troops took out the drone finding complex using a modified drone, and potentially even a modified commercial-grade drone, is particularly embarrassing for the Russian military. This summer, Ukraine launched an Army of Drones program using drones donated by foreign allies, charitable organizations, and individuals online. The program also involved training Ukrainian troops to use military drones for surveillance and combat. It encouraged troops to use the commercial drones for surveillance purposes and to modify them to drop munitions on Russian positions. The Army of Drones will allow us to constantly monitor the 2,470-kilometer-long front line and to field an effective response to enemy attacks, using modern technology, Ukraine's Colonel Oleksiy Noskov told BBC News.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.